And only Sushant could pull it off because कभी किसी ने ऐसे single बाकी लोगों ने they've shot so many songs जहाँ पे there are a lot of dancers, a lot of people, but this was the first time only Sushant is there. He left a long legacy behind. To see his film Sui Dil Bechara, to remember that he gave me the best. He gave me the best gift and left. He did his first film with me, Guy Poche, and last film with me when I became a director. So when people keep saying that you launch him in Guy Poche, he launched as a director.
Alright, so today I have with me a very special person who will be talking to us about an extremely special film. Joining me today is Mukesh Chhabra sir, who's making his directorial debut with Dil Bechara. Sir, welcome. Sabse pehle, how are you doing?
Thank you, Shweta. I am doing okay. Still cooking up. Yes.
Yeah. Sir, I don't know if you remember, the last time we met was when you had inaugurated your office in Delhi recently with Pulkit and Kriti. And I remember asking you that time about Dil Bechara also. And I had that question that time, which you said that I would answer when we would be promoting the film. So I'm going to ask you that question now. I want to know, what was it about Dil Bechara specifically that you thought of this as your, directorial debut? Because I'm sure you must be getting like a lot of scripts also. But what was it about this script, this story specifically, that you decided to go ahead?
You know, when I read the script, I was very emotionally moved. So my heart felt correct. Okay, I should tell this story to people. That is the reason I decided to go into Dil Bechara. Because I realized that I'm also a very emotional person. When I read the script, so I said, this is the script I need to tell to everyone. Yeah, that was the reason I decided to make this film.
I would also want to know, how did you approach Sushant for this particular role? How was that like?
I think Sushant ko approach karna was not a difficult idea because I was always clear that whenever I'll make my first film, he will be the hero in the film. And he also said that whenever you make your first film, I'll be part of the film. So this was the commitment and the promise to each other. So when I got the script in 2018, I called him and said, this is a film I read, it's quite nice. I wanted to do it. He said, I am. So I said, script. He said, he didn't even read the script because it's your first film. So why should I read the script? So he didn't even read the script. He only read the script when we went on shoot with him 2-3 days before the shoot starts. So उसने तभी पढ़ा था. So I think it's very clear for me कि जब भी मैं film बनाऊँगा सुशांत के साथ. So it's not very difficult for me to decide कि एक actor है. But मुझे पता था actor है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. Just give him the good script, he will just create magic.
Sir, another very special thing about the film is the music of the film, which is given by A.R. Rahman, the legend himself. How did that happen? Because, getting him to do your first film itself, I mean, I'm sure you know him for a very long time, but then how did that come across?
I think of course, I met him socially because he's done so many films and I've done few films with me. He was a music director. Of course, then in college days, everyone knew how. Yeah, in college days, you used to all love Dil Se, then love this Rosa. So then I done Rockstar. So many films with him. So मेरा भी dream था कि मैंने बोला make my first film, love story, emotional love story, and Rahman sir is let me just try it. So a lot of people told me कि यार अभी वो बहुत busy होंगे, it's your first film, you might not, you get him. So I thought no harm in trying. So I just texted him, said hi sir, this is Mukesh, and I'm making my first film. He said, yeah, come. He just replied back immediately to me. Then I went to meet him with Shashank Khaitan. I remember we went to town and narrated the story. When lift se niche aaya tha, he said, yes, I'm doing this.
And are you aware of Sushant's favorite song from
of course. I remember Tare Gin and Dil Bechara because we were rehearsing for this song, Dil Bechara. So he has all the songs. He said, Tare Gin bhi de do, main tumhara bhi de do. So he used to love music. So I think he favored his Dil Bechara, Tare Gin and Main Tumhara. I still using him in present tense. I can't use him in past tense. It's very awkward. So उसके पास सब थे. I sent him Dil Bechara, Main Tumhara, and Tare Gin.
Now with that we're talking about the music. Dil Bechara का जो music video है, it's a one shot. And it's so it just flows so beautifully, the entire video. It's so beautifully directed. Also, of course, Farah Khan has choreographed it, like you've spoken about it. Talk to me about that. Doing the entire one take thing. Was Sushant okay with it? Like how much did
I
he?
think he got really, really, really excited because when Farah they heard the song and she said it's a very interesting song. It's a college setup. Let's do it in one shot. And I was like, okay, it's sounding very interesting. And she knew that Sushant is a great dancer and like so I think she said, "Ki Sushant hai na, he'll pull it off." And me as a director were only understanding that okay, she's confident, but Sushant is confident with this. So I think the whole equation chemistry was really uh, was really beautiful. And she came up with this idea that auditorium में ऐसा करेंगे और करेंगे, and we did 2 days rehearsals. And I don't know if you know, Farah Khan did not even charge any single money for that. He said it's your first film with my blessing, it's Sushant, and I'm working with him first time, so let's just do it and tell your producer that I'm doing it for you and Sushant, not for them. So I started laughing. So then we did 2 days of rehearsal, and third day we shot the song, and 10 minutes में we finished the song. 2 minutes का गाना था, we did 3 takes and we were out.
Wow, that sounds really.
Yeah, because and only Sushant could pull it off. Because कभी किसी ने ऐसे single बाकी लोगों ने they've shot so many songs जहाँ पे there are a lot of dancers, a lot of people, but it's the first time only Sushant is there. Yeah, and that's Farah Khan's magic, and Farah Khan and Sushant both. And that's DOP Setu and the Steadicam operator, they were all in sync, and I was only looking at everyone because it's something, how great is happening in front of me. I was only enjoying that moment when I was there.
Well, talking about Sushant also, he was not just an actor for your, the first film that you directed. He was also one of your very, very, very close friends. I know that. How do you remember him now that you're even promoting the film and you're talking about him so much? How do you remember him?
I'm honestly, when people say that, I'm not even, don't even know that I'm only sharing my experiences. I'm not even promoting the film. So I'm not in that happy space where I can say that I'm in my first film. I'm not, I'm just sharing my experience, what I'm feeling right now. So he left a long legacy behind. To see his film, Sui Dil Becharam, to remember that he gave me the best gift and left. That he did his first film with me, Gai Poche, and last film with me when I became a director. So when people keep saying that you launch him in Gai Poche, he launched as a director. He gave me such a beautiful gift. I still don't know, can't really believe that he's actually gone.
Sir, I would also want to know another thing from you. Lot of Sushant's fans and everybody out there, they really wanted also the film to get a theatrical release.
I seriously, honestly thank you and love them because the way they are responding to this Dil Bechara, to trailer, and love for Sushant. But I think the idea, so Sushant was always aware that everyone should watch the film. And no one has a clarity kab khulega tha. Abhi jab wo hum ye kar rahe the, it's available for everyone. You don't have to subscribe. Just don't have to subscribe. Also, to download the app and watch the film. You, as a director or an actor, you want audience to see your film. So they're getting this opportunity, and everyone can see this film. I think that's the most important thing. And it's not safe because right now because of COVID, so it's safe. Like you can sit at home with your family and safe and actually celebrate Sushant.
Well, thank you so much, Mukesh. It was amazing speaking to you, and I'm really, really, really looking forward to the film releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar on the 24th. All the very best. I'm sure people are going to love it, and all the very best because it's your directorial debut also.
Thank you so much. I hope people will give the amount of love they've given it to theatre. तो इसको ट्रेलर को दिया उतने प्यार जो है, they should give it to the film also.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.